If you to create, edit or view documents on your Android phone, in this guide I'll show you to install Microsoft Word in just a few minutes. Whether you're a student, professional or simply need to work with Word documents on the go, this official app from Microsoft makes it easy to stay productive wherever you are. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. You can usually find it on your home screen or inside the app drawer. Make sure your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or has a reliable mobile data connection before downloading the app. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the Play Store. Type Microsoft Word and press the search button on your keyboard. A list of results will appear. Look for Microsoft Word developed by Microsoft Corporation. Choosing the official app is important to ensure you get the latest features, security updates, and reliable performance. Once you've found the correct app, tap the install button. The download will begin automatically. Depending on your internet speed, the installation may take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. After the installation is complete, tap Open to launch Microsoft Word. When the app opens for the first time, you'll be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you already have one, simply enter your email address and password. If not, you can create a free Microsoft account directly from the sign-in screen. A free account lets you create new documents, open existing Word files, edit text, and save your work to OneDrive for easy access across your devices. You may also be asked to grant a few permissions, such as access to your device's files. Allow these permissions if you want to open documents stored on your phone or save files locally. That's all for this guide. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials.